Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert a video from the format MKV to MP4. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open one of your browsers. Here I'm going to open the Brave browser. And after then, you have to type on the address bar Handbrake download. And then open the first page. And you will see all of the versions for your Windows or MacBook. So if you are using a Mac OS, you can choose this one. If you are using a Windows operating system, then you can choose this one, and so on. So as I am a Windows user, so I'm choosing the first one and clicking on this button, and it is going to download the application. So I'm choosing the save button. And here you can see that the application has been downloaded to my PC. So I'm going to open it. Yes. And here you can see that Handbrake is already installed on my PC. So I'm clicking on this OK button and gonna reinstall it. Yes. So this is the reinstall process. I'm clicking on this next button, next, install, and clicking on this finish button. And after installing the app, normally open it by clicking on this startup menu and selecting the app. And normally you can drag and drop a file into here, or you can choose the file from a destination. So I'm going to click on this file option to select a video. I'm going to choose this folder, and here you can see that all of the files are in MKV format. So this is .mkv. So I'm choosing this one, clicking on this open button. And from here, normally you have to click on this format option and choose MP4. And after that, normally click on this start encode button, and it is going to be converted in MP4. So if I click on this browse button, here you can see that our file has been converted to MP4. So now if I check the format, here you can see that the format is .mp4. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to convert a .mkv video file to MP4. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.